regarding the word or speech, the kanji here. So a stroke of that kanji, first top to lower inclined, second bigger one, third, fourth and fifth. Again, so here this is a larger one regarding the previous one. So again a stroke of that kanji, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So here sound like that, go and gatari, or sometimes katari, gatari and katari. So again if I write freehand, so here, so this is kanji. So what sound and meaning? So by using this kanji, so here is complete a word as like nihongo, or here sounded nihongo, nihongo, Japanese, that means Japanese language, nihongo. So here kanji like that. So here nihongo, that means Japanese, nihongo, Japanese. Again monogatari, monogatari, a story or tale or legend. So how to write? First, second, third and inclined fourth. So here and here, and later this one, and bigger that one. So go. So here monogatari, a story, monogatari, a story. Koku go, koku, koku go. So koku, so here is the country kanji, koku. So finally that one, and go, koku go, koku go, national language, national language, koku go, national language.